Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Hubspace app not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different fixes we can try. So I'm going to start with the most common fix. Okay, so the first fix is to check your internet connection. So make sure your phone has a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Poor connectivity is a common cause of app issues. Now, the next fix here is to completely close Hubspace down. So go ahead and completely close and reopen it up. What this does, this refreshes the app and can fix these temporary glitches. Okay, so the next fix after that is go to your Play Store, click on the search, and then type in Hubspace, and then hit search. Then from here, if it says update, go ahead and update the application. Next fix is to click and hold down the app, click onto I, and now need to go ahead and clear the app cache. So scroll down, and where it says storage, click on the clear cache. Now the last fix here is to just uninstall Hubspace. So go ahead and click and hold it down, click on uninstall, go to your Play, and then go ahead and re-download Hubspace, restart your phone.